The dawn of modern electronics.
Before the transistor, computers relied on bulky, fragile vacuum tubes. These tubes were large, generated heat, and often failed, limiting the potential of early electronic devices. The need for a smaller, efficient, and more reliable component drove researchers to search for a groundbreaking alternative, setting the stage for one of history's most important technological discoveries.
The breakthrough at Bell Labs.
In 1947, John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley at Bell Labs invented the first working transistor. Their discovery was a tiny semiconductor device that could switch and amplify electrical signals. Unlike vacuum tubes, transistors were compact, required less power, and were far more durable. This breakthrough quickly attracted worldwide attention from engineers and scientists.
How the transistor changed computing.
The introduction of transistors transformed computer hardware. Machines could now be made smaller, faster, and much more reliable. What once filled entire rooms could eventually fit on a desktop. The cost of computing dropped dramatically, making technology accessible to more people and industries, and setting the pace for the rapid evolution of electronics.
The transistor's role in the digital age.
Transistors are the building blocks of integrated circuits and microprocessors, which power everything from smartphones to supercomputers. Their ability to switch between states represents binary code, the fundamental language of digital technology. Without transistors, the digital revolution, including personal computing and the internet, would not have been possible.
Enduring legacy. And looking forward,
today's computers contain billions of transistors etched onto chips smaller than a fingernail. The transistor's legacy continues to drive innovation in fields like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and advanced robotics. This humble invention stands as the foundation of modern computing, shaping the world in countless ways and inspiring future breakthroughs.